So for your second attempt, okay, like if I talk about the daily routine there, okay, did you because then okay, were you going back to the lectures again, okay, or you felt okay, like no, okay, I need to spend some time, okay, on the self study. How did you utilize the time in your second attempt?
So I quants, I gave like first 2 months was completely about quants for me, because I felt like quants needed more time. Still, I was not okay with basics. I did not come with an optimal approach. So 2 months I did that completely. And once I knew I was confident with arithmetic, then I started giving a lot of tests. More than lectures, I started giving tests. And in every test, I started noting down where my mistake was. So when I knew my mistake, that's when I went back to a lecture.
Yeah.
So if I knew, okay, D, I couldn't solve few things. Then only I realized, okay, I didn't know this formula. Okay, let me go back and see this chapter again. So if I don't know an arrangement properly, then I'll go back to the arrangement lecture, see arrangement again and brush it up. So I started with test, found my own mistake, backtracked, and then went back to the lectures.
Yes.
So the main thing is identify the weaker areas or identify your mistakes, and this you can identify only by giving test.
Yeah.
Before the test, you will feel confident. Only when you give the test, you will know, and it can surprise you as well. You might think that some section you might not do well, but you will do well. Yeah. So that's when you will be like, okay, I can do this. So all of these things will happen only during the mock.
Yeah.
And mocks can
overall,
be
any number that you remember, how many tests, how many mocks you must have given in the second attempt of first attempt something?
I think put together it will be close to 40, 50 mocks, but properly concentrating like all the answers and properly I did was only around like 10 to 15, I would say. But it was a mixture of a lot of mocks, different types of mocks, so that I get the hang of it. But yeah, analyzing is also important. So analyzing, I would say 15 to 20. I did not have the time to do it. So with work and everything, this is what I could do. But I would suggest 30 mocks is 20 to 30. At least if you're analyzing properly, 20 mocks would be the best.
Yes,
for the second attempt. If it is, because first attempt I have given another 20, 30, and then in the second attempt, another 20, 30.